Hi everyone, Steve here with etrailer.com. Today we're looking at our Alpha Systems Superflex TPO RV roof membrane. This is going to be in a nice white color. This particular roll is going to be 9.5 feet long, as you can see, and it's going to be 45 feet long. Now obviously I'm not going to be able to roll it out all the way and show you that part, but you can see just how big this is. And I want to start off with letting you know that when this comes shipped to you, it is going to be a long, big item, obviously, and this is what it's going to look like when it arrives to you at your home. So it has these nice thick wooden ends, and inside of there is this membrane on a tube rolled up inside of that shipping tube that you see there on the screen. So very, very nice as far as like packaging and all that. I went ahead and pulled that end out of that tube just to kind of show you how big it is. So again, very nice as far as how they packaged it from the factory. So that's just a good starting. So the roof membrane, as you know, is going to replace or upgrade the roof of your RV. It works with most Class A and B motorhomes and up to 45-foot long travel trailers. Now this single ply Superflex membrane is lightweight. It is flexible, and it's going to resist mold and UV rays. And you can kind of see the one side's got like a rough grit to it, while the other side is smooth. This whole roll is smooth on the one side, and again, rough on the other side, or it has some grit. So again, it's got some flex to it. I can pull it, and that's what you're going to want when you're installing this. You're going to be able to pull it and tighten it as needed. And this is what we call a olefin-based TPO material. So that means it's going to remain durable much, much longer than the PVC makeups of different materials that are out there for roof membranes. It's energy efficient. The reflectivity protects your RV and also keeps the interior cooler on your RV travel trailer. It's a seamless one-piece design, so it's going to mean less opportunities for leaks and cracks. Now, I know you're saying, Steven, I got to cut holes in the top where I'm going to have my AC, my antennas, those kind of things. Yes, you are. That's no big deal. We actually have a great video here on etrailer.com of one of our installers installing a whole new roof with this material or something like it, and it's going to have everything you need as far as if you want to try to tackle it yourself and all that kind of stuff. And you can definitely do this yourself, so don't be scared, don't be afraid of it. Yes, it is a big job, I'm not going to lie to you. It's going to take time, and if you have someone helping you, it's probably going to go a little easier, but you can certainly do it yourself if you need to. Just take your time. I recommend watching that install video from etrailer.com here, and then you should be good. Now, the maintenance on this is pretty much maintenance free. You don't have to treat it with special cleaners or anything like that. The manufacturer does recommend cleaning any RV roof at least a couple times a year, most likely when you take it out of storage and then right before you put it back. And this will not leave streaks on the RV sides or develop black spots over time. Now, we do offer this again in the white that we're looking at today. We also carry it in beige, gray, and almond colors. Those are found separately here at etrailer.com. Now, one last thing before we go, if this is all you need is just the membrane, great. But if you don't have the other parts, you're not going to be able to install it. By other parts, I mean you're going to need a lot of butyl tape. You're going to need some adhesive for this to adhere to the top of your roof. And they're going to need a lot of tubes of different caulking materials and just the levelers and everything to keep everything waterproof. And we sell this same tube here, 45 feet long by 9.5 feet wide, with an installation kit that includes all those adhesives, all those different tubes of caulking, and all those kind of things, and butyl tape that's needed for the installation. So I recommend, if you need the whole kit, check that out here at etrailer.com, sold separately as a whole kit. Well, folks, that is going to wrap it up for our quick look together today at this Alpha Systems Superflex TPO RV roof membrane in white. I'm Steven. Thanks so much for your time. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.